You know you're really excited for a trip when every outfit of yours has had a trial run. Guys, I'm going to Paris for my second wedding anniversary, so come pack with me. So over the week, I've been dumping all of my clothes, my coats, my bags in here. Now it's time for me to sort it all out. So I have decided to wear neutrals only for the night time. So the blacks and the browns have been saved for the evenings. And since it's spring in Paris, I want to wear color every single day, even if it's like a little pop. I have so much sand in the suitcase from my last trip. I've decided to not use packing cubes this time and just place all of my outfits in a neat manner. I'm so surprised सब कुछ easily fit हो गया है, which means that I have not overpacked. I think it's because I tried on all the outfits in advance. Pajamas, inner garments, blanket for my Eiffel picnic. In go all of my coats. Number 1, number 2, 3 and 4. I don't think I need to vacuum them. I think this is just fine. Surprisingly, I only have 2 bags. कुछ तो miscalculation तो नहीं हो गई? Packing all the other basic stuff like my toiletries kit, makeup kit. Oh my god. I think I should have vacuumed my jackets after all. I'm too lazy to do that though. Finally. Done. Worked out. इतनी जल्दी कैसे हो गई मेरी पैकिंग? कुछ तो मिसिंग है. I by the way perpetually have a packing list जो मैं स्क्रीन पे छोड़ दूंगी. So I use it for all of my trips. I think the fragrance for the trip has to be Chance by Chanel. We're definitely missing a few things. This is a mess. Hair tool, hair kit, jewelry. Let's try that again. Jewelry and sunglasses. My bag is completely full and I have 5 pairs of shoes. I think I'll just stuff them in my carry-on. Other half of the carry-on में जाएगा tripod, मेरे electronics, snacks. I don't think मेरे पास इतनी जगह है. Definitely the spicy ones I'm gonna add. Chai, Liquid IV and Party Smart. Need to add the thepla जो मैं बाद में add करूँगी. And also I'm gonna buy a bunch of peri peri sachets from McDonald's and add those. Also, if you're going to Europe, make sure to carry these. These are kind of like zip ties for your bag. Like no one can break into your purses if you have these. I think I'm done.